Indian Himalayan Region Climate Change Conclave began today at City Convention Centre Palace Compound, Imphal. The event is being organized by Directorate of Environment and Climate Change on the theme Research, Practice, Policy, Communication. Manipur Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel and Principal Secretary Forest Environment and Climate Change Arun Kumar Sinha graced the inaugural function as the main dignitaries. Speaking on the sidelines, Directorate of Environment and Climate Change Dr. T. Brajakumar highlighted the significance of the event, stating that it aims to explore and discuss the changes taking place in the Himalayan region due to the adverse impact of climate change, so that initiatives can be taken up to address the issue.
So Manipur is also vulnerable like any other of these states, Himalayan states, to climate change impacts, facing rising temperatures, erratic rainfall. This year we see that in October, mid also, we have had, I think it's a monsoon only, extended monsoon. And there are so many times, the frequent floods we are experiencing in Imphal, even in Delhi we are experiencing this year. So these changes, they impact agriculture, water resources, public health, livelihoods, food security. It all affects the basic fabric of. As far as Manipur government is concerned, it is committed in its endeavour to tackle current and future climate challenges by reducing associated risks and vulnerabilities.